How to make a Sepa payment. Follow my instructions. Sepa payments are the standard way to transfer euros within the Eurozone. They're fast, low cost, and work the same across most European banks. Here's how you can make one step-by-step first. Log into your online banking app or website, go to the Payments or Transfers section, choose the option for a Sepa transfer next. Enter the recipient's full name and their IBAN number. Most of the time, you won't need anything else. But some banks may also ask for the BICR SWIFT code. Make sure the details are correct, because mistakes can delay or cancel the payment now. Type the amount in euros you want to send. You can also add a payment reference or note, so the receiver knows what it's for. Check if your bank allows you to set a future date or recurring Sepa payments. Before confirming, review all details carefully. The recipient's IBAN, amount, and date. Once everything looks correct, hit send or confirm payment. The money usually arrives within 1 business day, and sometimes instantly if both banks support Sepa Instant. And that's it. That's how you make a Sepa payment easily and securely. Thanks for watching.